Hello everyone, welcome back to my second video. In this video, I'm going to continue the law of exponents. There are 8 law of exponents. 8 law of exponents. In 8 law of exponents, I have explained you about 2 exponents in my last video. Just go in my channel and watch that video to get explanation of 2 exponents, and I'm going to continue from the third exponent, which is am into m is equals amm. This is a very easy and common explanation. This is a wrong method, so listen here. 3 and 2. This can be written as 7 3 into 2, as this 2 and 3 are both for 7 only. Both respond to 7 only. So we can directly, instead of writing 7 into 7 into 7 into enough and getting the answer, again writing that, suppose you get 12, again writing that answer as 12 into 12 2 times. Instead of doing this full method, you can just write it as 7 3 into 2. So you get 7 6. And you can solve it as 7 into 7 to 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, this is the third exponent, and law of exponents are very important to solve these chapter problems, and you have to learn these exponents compulsory. Okay, now friends, now let us go to the fourth exponent. You also all the properties of integers and this law of exponents, some important points from each lesson. You have to maintain a book like this. I had maintained a book like this. Shall I get closer? So, fourth one is a to the power of 0 is 1. Actually, there is a rule that 7 to the power of 0. If in the power place 0 is placed, in the place of power, if 0 is placed, then that is simplified into 1. No matter if here 7 is there, 100 is there, yeah, 1000 is there, that 1000 or 100 value will go to the 1. So remember that any number raised to the power of 0 becomes 1. Okay, this is the easy exponent to remember, and your simplification also without solving the sum only you can. Next, fifth one. Fifth one is, okay, you have seen that in the first exponent you have seen that am into an becomes am plus n, as these both are equal. But here a into b and these powers are equal. If that both powers are equal, here if these are equal, we write a only one time, and here if these both powers are equal, we should write only one time, but you have to make this in bracket. Okay, now suppose you are having 7 2 and 5 2. You have to write it as 7 into 5. These both are equal, so if you write one time, it's enough, and it is 35 2. Okay, next, like that only in the sixth exponent also. The sixth exponent also we are having division. So we have to subtract there, but here we have to divide. I mean a by b the power of n. Okay, you can write it like this also, a divided by b of n. Okay, now seventh exponent is one second. Okay, seventh exponent is a by b, and this is a negative integer. So near negative integers we get negative powers, we get some confusion. So to make it positive, to make this to make this power positive, you have to take its reciprocal and make this positive. It is b by a to the power of n. After taking the reciprocal, it becomes positive. Okay, if you have to make this negative, you have to write a by b. Again, you have to take it reciprocal and write it as minus n. I mean negative integer. And the last exponent is very important exponent, and make a note of it. That is, if am is equals to an, m is equals to n. It may be 5 or 6, it will be equal only. Okay, why? Because these both are equal, this both also can be equal. Make a note of this, please. And these are the law of exponents. And solve some simplification I said in the last video that I will explain you. That also I made a note for that sums to explain you. And nothing will be in these simplification sums. They are very easy sums. If you just keep concentration on these law of exponents, you will be better able to solve these problems. So let me take one example and explain you for your better understanding. Now let us simplify the sum. First, we should solve this. Then, using the property of m is equals to am into m, we can solve this. So, 7, 3. As this is down, means division, we can bring it up and subtract using the, I will show you properties in the book and I will solve the problem. Using the which property? Using the second property for this, of this green one. Using this property we can solve this, we can subtract this number. And it becomes 2, and by 8, 2. Means 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. So we can write here 64 for now. And 2h into 7, 2 by, we can take the LCM of 64 to solve it. 2 3s are, 2s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, and 2 2s are. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. It's correct. So we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power of 6. Okay. Now we can, using this property only, using this green property only, we can write we can subtract this from here. I will show you. 2, 8 minus 6 into 7, 2. So 2, 2 and 7, 2. And I said that if these both are equal, we can add. But these both are not equal. If these both are equal, we can make it 1. Like 2 into 7 and this is 1. So this is 14, 2. Okay. Did you understand the sum? And this is the simplification of exponents using the properties. Nothing is there in the simplification, just you have to revise the law of exponents, then it will be a little easier to solve these problems. So in the next video, I will explain you about, let me decide now only. Let us take a new chapter and I will inform you in the next video. Till then, bye. Keep watching my videos.